Why is this Python expression parameter is not expanded at call time? In Google App Engine and DB there are queries like this. How come the account.useRead is greater than or equal to 40 expression is not expanded at call time to true or false before passed as an argument? How is the filter expression passed to the query? Is it done with operator overloading?
Ignacio is correct. The NDB code is defining custom magic methods on its property class for comparison checking. These functions, etc., are all calling this custom_comparison function under the hood. As you can see, the code doesn't return a Boolean result. It returns an instance of filter node which itself evaluates to a truthy/falsy value appropriately for the comparison. How come the account.userid greater than or equal to 40 expression is not expanded at call time to true or false before passed as an argument? It technically is getting expanded/evaluated before the query function is called. It just isn't evaluating to a Boolean value.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.